Hey everyone, welcome back to this new episode. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone.
Sarah, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. So today we're going to talk about something important.
Yes, we are talking about the police.
That's right, we're talking about going to the police station.
The police station. That is the place where police officers work, right?
Exactly. The police station is the building where police officers work, and sometimes we need to go there.
Yes, sometimes we have a problem and we need help.
Right. So today we're going to learn some easy words and phrases for when you need to talk to the police.
This is important, but Mike, I'm a little nervous about talking to police.
I understand. Many people feel nervous, but don't worry. Police officers are there to help us.
Yes, they help us. That's good.
And if you speak slowly and use simple words, they will understand you.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. So, Sarah, let me ask you something. Did you ever lose something important?
Lose something? Yes, I lost my phone one time.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I looked everywhere. I looked in my bag, in my car, at home, but I didn't find it.
That's terrible. So, did you go to the police?
No, I didn't, but maybe I should go to the police station, right?
Yes, that's a good idea. When you lose something important, you can report it to the police.
Report it? What does that mean?
Report means to tell the police about a problem. You go to the police station and you say, I lost my phone. Can you help me?
Ah, I see. So I report the problem.
Exactly. You report your lost phone. The police can help you, or they can write it down in their records.
In their records, that means they write the information, yes?
Yes, exactly. Records are the papers or files where they write important information.
Okay, so I go to the police station and I report my lost phone.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine you are at the police station. What do you say?
I say, hello.
Yes, hello is good. You can say, hello, I need help.
Hello, I need help.
Great. Then the police officer will ask, what is the problem?
Okay, so I say, I lost my phone.
Perfect. I lost my phone. That's clear and simple.
And then what does the police officer say?
The officer might ask, when did you lose it?
When did you lose it? That means what time, right?
Yes, or what day. When means the time or the day.
Okay, so I say, I lost it yesterday.
Good. Or you can say, I lost it this morning, or I lost it 2 days ago.
I lost it yesterday. I lost it this morning. I lost it 2 days ago.
Exactly. You're doing great, Sarah.
Thank you. But what if the police officer asks more questions?
They will probably ask more questions. For example, where did you lose it?
Where did I lose it? Okay, I can say, I lost it at the park.
Perfect. Or you can say, I lost it on the bus, or I lost it at the shopping center.
I lost it at the park. I lost it on the bus. Okay, I understand.
Great. Now the officer might also ask, what does your phone look like?
What does it look like? That means describe the phone, yes?
Exactly. Describe means to tell someone how something looks.
Okay, so I say it is black. It is a smartphone.
Very good. You can also say it is small, or it has a blue case.
A case? What is a case?
A case is the cover you put on your phone. It protects the phone.
Ah, I see. The cover. My phone has a blue case.
Perfect. So you can say, my phone is black. It has a blue case.
My phone is black. It has a blue case. Okay.
Now, the police officer will probably ask for your information.
My information?
Yes, they will ask, what is your name?
Oh, that's easy. My name is Sarah.
Good. And they might ask, what is your address?
Address? That is where I live, right?
Exactly. Your address is your home location, the street, the number, the city.
Okay. My address is 25 Park Street.
Perfect. And they might ask for your phone number.
But Mike, I lost my phone. I don't have a phone number right now.
That's true, but you can give them another number, maybe your friend's number or your work number.
Ah, okay. I can give my friend's number.
Exactly. You can say, I don't have my phone, but here's my friend's number.
I don't have my phone, but here's my friend's number. Good.
Great. Now, let's talk about another situation. What if something is stolen?
Stolen? What does stolen mean?
Stolen means someone took your thing without asking. Someone took it and it's not yours anymore.
Oh no, that's bad. Someone took my thing?
Yes. For example, someone stole my wallet or someone stole my bag.
Someone stole my wallet. Okay. So if someone steals my wallet, I go to the police.
Yes, definitely. You need to report it immediately.
Immediately. That means right now. Very fast?
Exactly. Immediately means right away, without waiting.
Okay. I go to the police station immediately.
Good. Now let's practice. Imagine someone stole your wallet. What do you say at the police station?
Hello? I need help. Someone stole my wallet.
Perfect. Clear and simple. The officer will ask, when did this happen?
When did this happen? I say it happened this morning.
Good. Or you can say, it happened 1 hour ago.
It happened 1 hour ago. Okay.
And the officer will ask, where did it happen?
I can say it happened at the train station.
Excellent. The train station, the supermarket, the restaurant, any place.
Okay. It happened at the train station.
Now, the officer might also ask, did you see the person?
Did I see the person? The person who stole my wallet?
Yes, did you see them? Do you know what they look like?
Maybe I say yes, I saw the person. It was a man.
Good. You can describe the person. You can say, it was a man. He was tall. He wore a black jacket.
He was tall. He wore a black jacket.
Exactly. Wore is the past of wear. He wore means he had clothes on.
Okay, he wore a black jacket. I understand.
Or you can say, I didn't see the person. I don't know.
I didn't see the person. That's okay too?
Yes, of course. Just tell the truth. The police understand.
Okay, good. Just tell the truth.
Now, Sarah, what if you see an accident?
An accident? What is an accident?
An accident is when something bad happens by mistake. For example, two cars hit each other. That's an accident.
Oh, I see. A car accident.
Yes, or someone falls and gets hurt. That's also an accident.
Okay, so if I see an accident, I call the police.
Yes, exactly. You can call the police or you can go to the police station.
And what do I say?
You say, I want to report an accident.
I want to report an accident. Okay.
And the officer will ask, where is the accident?
I say the accident is on Main Street.
Good. Or you can say the accident is near the hospital, or the accident is at the corner of Park Street and First Avenue.
The accident is on Main Street. The accident is near the hospital.
Perfect. And the officer might also ask, is anyone hurt?
Hurt means injured, yes?
Exactly. Hurt means someone has an injury or pain.
Okay, I can say yes, one person is hurt.
Good. Or you can say, no, nobody is hurt. Everyone is okay.
No, nobody is hurt. Everyone is okay.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about some important phrases you can use at the police station.
Yes, please. I want to learn more phrases.
Okay. First, if you need help, you can say, excuse me, I need help.
Excuse me, I need help.
Or you can say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please? That's very polite.
Yes, always be polite with police officers. Say please and thank you.
Okay, please and thank you. I understand.
Good. Now, if you don't understand something, you can say, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Or you can say, sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say it again?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say it again?
Exactly. It's okay to ask the officer to repeat. They will help you.
Okay, that's good. I feel less nervous now.
I'm glad. Now, if you need to wait, the officer might say, please wait here, or please sit down.
Please wait here. Please sit down. Okay.
And when everything is finished, the officer might say, thank you for coming, or we will contact you.
We will contact you. That means they will call me or send me a message.
Exactly. Contact means to communicate with you. They will call you or email you.
Okay, we will contact you. I understand.
Great. Now, Sarah, do you feel ready to go to the police station if you need to?
Yes, I think so. I know what to say now.
Wonderful. Remember, police officers are there to help you. Don't be afraid.
Yes, they help us. I will speak slowly and use simple words.
Perfect. And if you forget a word, just try to explain in another way.
Okay, I can do that.
Now, let's practice one more time. Let's do a role play.
A role play? What is that?
A role play is when we pretend, we act like we are in a real situation.
Ah, okay, we pretend. That sounds fun.
Great, so I will be the police officer and you come to the police station. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I need help. I lost my bag.
I see. When did you lose your bag?
I lost it this afternoon.
Where did you lose it?
I lost it at the shopping center.
Okay. Can you describe your bag? What does it look like?
It is black, it is small, it has my wallet inside.
I understand. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
And what is your phone number?
My phone number is 555-1234.
Thank you, Sarah. We will write this down. If we find your bag, we will contact you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excellent, Sarah. That was perfect.
Really? Thank you. That wasn't so difficult.
See? You did great. You used all the important phrases.
Yes, I said I need help. I said I lost my bag. I said when and where.
Exactly. And you gave your name and phone number. Perfect.
I feel much better now. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect, yes.
Okay, let's quickly review the important words we learned today.
Yes, good idea.
First, police station. That's where police officers work.
Police station, the place where police officers work.
Good. Then report. That means to tell the police about a problem.
Report. I report my problem to the police.
Good. Then lost. That means you can't find something.
Lost. I lost my phone. I lost my wallet.
Right. And stolen. That means someone took your thing without asking.
Stolen. Someone stole my bag.
Exactly. And accident. That's when something bad happens by mistake.
Accident. A car accident. Someone is hurt.
Good. And describe. That means to tell someone how something looks.
Describe. I describe my bag. It is black and small.
Perfect. And address. That's where you live.
Address. My home address is 25 Park Street.
Excellent. You remembered everything.
Yes, I'm happy. These words are very useful.
They are. And remember, if you need to go to the police station, just be calm and polite.
Yes, be calm and polite. Say please and thank you.
Exactly. Speak slowly and clearly.
Speak slowly and clearly. Okay.
And if you don't understand, just say, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Yes, I will say that.
Perfect. You're ready.
I'm ready. Thank you, Mike. This was very helpful.
You're welcome, Sarah. I'm glad you feel more confident now.
Yes, I do. Our listeners, I hope you feel confident too.
Yes, dear listeners, remember, talking to the police doesn't have to be scary.
No, it's not scary. The police are there to help us.
Exactly. Just use the simple phrases we practiced today.
Yes, say hello, say I need help, explain your problem.
Perfect. Answer the questions the police officer asks.
Give your name, your address, your phone number.
And always be polite. Say please and thank you.
Yes, be polite. That's important everywhere, not just with the police.
That's true. Good point, Sarah.
Thank you. So everyone, practice these phrases at home.
Yes, practice with a friend or practice in front of a mirror.
Practice in front of a mirror? That's a good idea.
Yes, say the phrases out loud. That helps you remember.
I will do that. And everyone listening, you should do that too.
Definitely. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Yes, practice, practice, practice.
Exactly. Okay, everyone. We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Yes, we talked about going to the police station.
We learned important words like report, lost, stolen, and accident.
We practiced asking for help and answering questions.
And we did a fun role play together.
Yes, that was fun. I liked being at the police station.
In our imagination, yes.
Yes, in our imagination, not in real life. I hope I don't lose my bag in real life.
Me too. Okay, everyone, before we go, we have a small request.
Yes, if you liked this episode, please subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, please subscribe. That helps us a lot.
And please leave a like. Click the like button.
If you leave a like, we know you enjoyed the episode.
Yes, likes make us happy.
They do. And if you have questions or ideas for future episodes, please leave a comment.
Yes, we read all the comments. We love hearing from you.
We do. Your feedback is very important to us.
So, subscribe, leave a like, and write a comment.
Perfect. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing your English every day.
Even just 10 minutes a day helps a lot.
Yes, 10 minutes every day. You can do it.
We believe in you. Keep going.
Don't give up. Learning English is a journey.
That's right. And we're here to help you on that journey.
Yes, we will be here every week with a new episode.
So come back next time. We'll talk about another interesting topic.
Yes, next time we will learn more useful English together.
Until then, take care, everyone.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.